As well. And Dan, thank you for joining us. We're going to talk about Microsoft with Steve Kovac in just a minute based on, this was going to be, by the way, the Microsoft stuff, our top of the show, as we call it, our lead in industry parlance. But when you got Jensen Huang making off-the-cuff comments to Emily Wilkins on Capitol Hill, we got to lead with that. Anything that you may have heard from Huang or anything recently that you have heard from him and Nvidia that changes your thesis on the AI game?
No. I mean,
well, thanks for coming on.
So I think our interview's done. No, there's nothing that he's saying that he hasn't said in the past. And quite honestly, what he has to say right now, if they get the license to ship to China, obviously that's going to be very good for them. But that doesn't get you away from the biggest thing that Wall Street's wrestling with regards to AI.
Do you believe, let me back it, sorry, Dan, let me back that up for a second, then I want to hear your thoughts. Do you believe, and we have seen Jensen Huang, I was only half joking with the team this morning, Kelly, when I said, who's running Nvidia? Because Jensen Huang is on Capitol Hill or in China, he's flying all over the world. Do you believe that this charm offensive, particularly with the man in the White House, Donald J. Trump, is designed to obviously help Nvidia, but realistically open that door to more advanced chip sales to China?
Well, obviously, right? That's the reason to do this. I think the bigger thing that potentially opens the door to China is the fact that China's making lots of advances on AI without any of our chips, right? Because Huawei is shipping Ascend chips. You've got DeepSeek, which is continuing to put out models that are very, very good for open source. And in certain sectors, like energy or open source models, China's actually ahead of the US. Now, we have the best hardware in the world. We have the best private AI in the world. But I think when you step back and you say, look, they're making advances with or without us, why don't we at least try to get them to use our chips so that we at least have some control over this? I think that is the right policy going forward, because much like you can think of foundry, right? The US used to lead with Intel in foundries. Now who's the leader? It's TSMC by far. And so you're going to see technology migrate regardless of what you're trying to do to restrict that. We've already seen that with AI.
Yeah. I'm curious, Dan, as you we were talking this last hour, is it possible that the rising AI tide lifts all boats? I mean, do you have any concerns about Microsoft versus OpenAI and Nvidia versus Google and all of the stuff? I mean, are you investing as a group, or do you get to the point at which you look for any opportunities to short or do anything like that?
I've been saying this for months, Kelly, which is the market has, up until about a month ago, assumed that every company won in AI. And if you look back at history, and I've said this multiple times, that's not the way it works with, let's take the internet, for example, right? You had a great internet bubble. Coming out of that, how many winners have you really had in e-commerce? One, Amazon. What about in search? Well, you don't hear about Netscape or Yahoo or AOL anymore. It's Google. What about in social? How many winners do you have there? It's really only Meta. Up until about a month ago, it was assumed everybody's going to win. But that's probably not going to be the case. You'll probably have Google win in consumer AI for the simple reason that they've got more training data with 9 products with over 1 billion users each that they can train on. And they've already got the whole vertical stack from ASICs. They don't need Nvidia chips as much as others, all the way through to monetizing it through search, all the way through to products with their Pixel phones and the Android ecosystem. Yeah. They're probably going to win there, not OpenAI. So anybody who's exposed to OpenAI, I don't think, and I've said this multiple times over months, I don't think OpenAI can meet that 1.4 trillion infrastructure spend that they have out there, because they're not going to win in consumer AI. And then on the corporate side, right, you've got Microsoft, which obviously, most corporations have Office. I'm guessing you guys do as well. And so they can sell you products through that. But
they've already got the installed base, I think, is the